Hello everyone, welcome to Gaming Archives. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up live wallpapers in Windows. This is totally free, at not cost, and it's gonna be very easy. So first we have to install a program. We have to go to Microsoft Store and look for desktop live wallpapers. So this one over here, once you installed it, you just have to open. Okay, let's wait to open. So now um, we will have this application over here. It will have some samples. It will also have the option to add our own wallpapers. So this uh, application has two versions, the free version and also the pro version. The difference between those versions is that with the pro you have the option to set up any formats of videos or wallpapers in your windows. So the free option only has the option to set up the WMB format. So don't worry, I'm gonna show you how to set up or convert any videos to WMB very easy. So first, let's see how we can get our wallpapers. So let's go to this website. It's totally free. I never had problem before with this website. So once you go there, it's called My Life Wallpapers. So you can see over here there is some wallpapers. It seems that these one are from animes. So now you will see a section that says uh, live wallpapers, and you will see the categories like anime, games, fantasy, nature. Let's go to anime. You will have some options to download. Let's go ahead and let's see, look for another one. This one from ah, okay. So let's select this one uh, from Dragon Ball. This is Vegito. This is gonna be showing in your wall and your background. So let's go ahead and you will have the option to download. So you will have the option of 1080 pixels, and also you have 4K if you have a monitor with 4K. Since I don't have a 4K monitor, I'm going to download this one. So it's gonna take a couple of minutes depending on the wallpapers, since this one is very easy and it doesn't have like uh, too much weight. So once you download the live wallpapers, let's go ahead and create a new folder in our desktop folder, uh, my wallpapers. Okay, so here we have our folder. So the archives that or the wallpaper that I already download, I'm gonna be putting it over here. So let's go ahead and move it to here. So it's gonna be in the download section. So our folder, let's copy or cut so we can delete it right away from the download folder. And let's go to our main folder that we created, my wallpapers. So let's paste it here. So it's gonna be here. So now let's change the format uh, of this video. So in order to do this, we're going to go to the cloudconvert.com. This is a free tool. You have like 25 converts in a day in order to use it. So let's go ahead and select file, and we're going to look for the folder that we created, desktop, my life wallpapers. I'm going to select it. Okay, so you will have the option that says convert to, and you will select WMB. So the free version of the program is gonna take this one for free. So, and once you select the extension, we are going to click convert. So this usually takes like 1 minute. So it's gonna be pretty fast depending on the size of the wallpaper. So I'm gonna pause the video while it's finished. So we already convert the video. So we will have to click download. Okay. So remember this one is gonna be in the download folder. Okay. Okay. So let's change the name to final. Okay. Final. And let's cut this one and let's move it to our main folder. Paste and let's delete this one. Oh, just let's go ahead and leave it right here so you can see that in the program you don't have the option to convert any video unless you upgrade to Pro. So let's go to the program now. Okay, so you will have this like wallpapers, and here where I selected collection, you will hit the option that says browse. Let's look for our desktop folder, my wallpapers, and select folder. Okay, so as you can see, the option that is MP4 you cannot convert unless you for upgrade to the Pro version, and the WMB you have the option to put it. So you just have to click, and right away it's gonna be in your background here. Perfect. So without any issues, the background is in our PC right now. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like. If you have any question, don't doubt to put it in the comments. See you in the next one.